while spacious passenger seats and an extra-large cargo hold make this a practical choice. X1 Interior. The X1 may be a subcompact SUV, but its seats aren't subpar. This two-row SUV has seating for 5, and there's enough acreage for a pair of adults to relax in the front or the back. Optional reclining and sliding rear seats make the second row even comfier. The X1's latch child seat connectors are pretty easy to find and use. Hardware includes 3 upper tethers and 2 sets of lower anchors, and there's enough room in the rear seat for 2 child safety seats. For the most part, the X1 feels first class inside. Craftsmanship is the same top-notch quality as other BMWs, and premium trimmings such as brushed aluminum and piano black add to its sophisticated styling. Note that synthetic leather is the standard seat upholstery. Unlike with Mercedes-Benz's high-grade leatherette seats, not everyone is impressed with BMW's synthetic upholstery. For a more upscale cabin, upgrade this to genuine leather. The X1 has more cargo room than any other vehicle in our luxury subcompact SUV ranking. Its 27.1 cubic feet of space behind the back seat is enough room for a sizable trip to the grocery store or a weekend excursion. Fold the back seat down for a total capacity of 58.7 cubic feet. The X1 features a straightforward infotainment system. Its 6.5-inch display isn't a touchscreen. Instead, you use a knob between the seats to make your selections. This is one of the easier non-touch systems to use. Take your entertainment to the next level with enticing options like a Wi-Fi hotspot, a 12-speaker Harman Kardon surround sound system, or Apple CarPlay. X1 Performance. Unlike many other BMWs, the X1 comes with only one powertrain option. Don't let that worry you, though, as this turbocharged 4-cylinder moves the X1 quickly and easily. This engine and its 8-speed automatic transmission are polished, though the built-in stop-start system is on the coarse side. The X1 gets 23 miles per gallon in the city and 32 miles per gallon on the highway. That's close to the class average for subcompact SUVs. It's fun sitting behind the wheel of an X1, thanks to its responsive steering, powerful brakes, and predictable body movements. A few performance upgrades are available if you want a more athletic SUV. These include all-wheel drive, an M-Sport suspension system, and performance-run flat tires. X1 safety features. For 2018, the X1 comes standard with a rear-view camera and rain-sensing windshield wipers. Available safety upgrades include parking sensors, adaptive cruise control with stop-and-go functionality, forward collision warning with pedestrian detection, collision mitigation braking, lane departure warning, a head-up display, traffic sign information, and automatic high beams.